All right, so Zip competed this weekend.
Yeah.
Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, she actually competed in Scottsdale, Arizona, and it was 5 days. So she was doing agility for 5 days.
And she did really well.
Yeah, she made it into finals for team and for Grand Prix. And she finished in top 10 for her jump height in Grand Prix.
This is an international competition, right?
Yeah,
so.
yeah. And then she's been home and since then, so she's getting a tune-up after that, and then she went and did herding on Friday, so she's had a lot of activity, so I just want her tuned up and checked before she starts trialing this weekend.
That's great.
She doesn't like to not be able to lick somebody. So same hip?
I'm just getting to her right hip here.
Yeah.
Coming up here. Bet you're feeling pretty even.
Good. The ground was hard, but very flat and nice that we competed on. It got harder during the week because they weren't able to water, and let's say in Scottsdale, if you don't water, the grass dries out really quickly.
Oh, okay.
So towards the end, it was a little bit slippery.
Mm-hmm.
And the other thing, the dogs were a little bit struggling with staying hydrated.
Okay.
Because of it was 85, which they've gotten used to weather in the 70s.
Yeah, dogs have this spot called the anticlinal right there, and I can really feel that's kind of her area.
She did get massaged
Oh, good.
almost every day while she was there.
Oh, lucky dog.
And she got a massage right before our Grand Prix run.
Well, I know you did all the hard work, but it's good that you're getting her spine checked before an event like that, and just maintaining that healthy alignment and mobility.
And she's had chiropractic done since she was about a year old. When she was a puppy, she had her hands put on no adjustments, but just to get used to it. So she's almost 7, so she's been having this her entire career.
Yeah,
I usually try to tune her up, try to get her done twice a month.
Mm-hmm.
And then in between massages. You sometimes tell when she needs to be adjusted. She'll be right up on the table as soon as.
Yeah, she just jumped right up.
Yeah.
She knows.
Yeah. She goes, but your face is so close to me. I need to lick you.
Yeah, we made a video of me adjusting Remington, my Newfoundland, and he just wanted to play the whole time. It was mostly outtakes.
Yeah.
Let's see if we can do this here. Good. Okay, let's get you on your side. Okay.
Okay.
You want me to help?
Yeah. Let me just put her. Yay! Just like a little calf.
Alright, let's start back here. This is really checking her femoral head on her hip. And then we move to the femoral condyles and the tibial condyles. Yeah.
Oh, here, lick me. Something.
Shoulder. So who won first place?
A woman named Susan Garrett, in my jump height, a woman named Susan Garrett from Canada. Awesome
Okay.
handler, awesome dog.
What kind of dog was it?
A border collie.
Were the majority borders?
In her jump height was 22 inches, yeah, the majority was borders.
You were what jump or what height?
22
were you?
inch.
22. Feels good, doesn't it?
It was hard for her because she's not a heat dog. She probably runs her best when it's 65, not 85.
Yeah, so she was still staying hydrated pretty easily, or?
No, well, it was hard even though
Let's go to the other side.
I was playing with her with the hose a lot and everything, and she seemed to be drinking, but it seemed like you can tell she's been been playing today. Saying we were out running around at the lake. You're lucky though, I kept her out of the water, so she's not soaking wet.
Good. That would just work faster.
Yeah.
You can only handle wet dog smell so much. All this attention. Okay. Stop there.
Good girl.